I want one straight up, straight down from right here.
I think her and Jen's coming. She just asked me if it was cold or warm now.
Very warm.
Hold on, time out. I gotta get a drink now.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, I got it.
Very good. How are you?
Good. Thank you for checking.
Yeah, good.
Wow, that's a spin on that ball.
A little bit.
Same order?
Same order. No sense mixing it up.
You're all right. You're still alive.
Turn it.
Got one.
There you go.
Good shot.
Ooh,
It's all right.
Is that out?
Yeah. I'm up close to the line, but.
Yep, though. Oh,
I mean, I'm going backwards.
yeah, there you go.
Yes, ma'am. I will catch your ball.
Well, that's I might have blown it over.
There you go. Get over.
Come on, Mark.
Nice idea. Nice idea, but it's got to
Good thing I got glasses on, man. That black eye.
Let's go, Chuck.
Thank you, Ricky.
Let's go.
You get it, I'll get it.
There we go.
How you been? I was in 0-2, I heard.
You're coming towards me.
I wasn't going to say good pitch.
It's it. I can tell where I was.
Great pitch.
Oh, sorry.
You know.
Wow. I was
Is that
to the little bit. I was like, I wanted to go push. That's all right. Could have been dead all
Chuck. Thank you, guys.
Oh. I did not catch a ball, no.
She tried hard though.
I'm trying. I'm trying. That's what I can
Ricky,
do.
Scott, Tara, Mark. Who filled ours out last time? Did none of us did?
No.
Well, this might be worth doing it.
I think Mike was doing it as we just stepped up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that pitch was really bad. Not Mike Atondo's fault. Up next, we got Brittany just hitting fucking lasers. Wouldn't want to be in front of this ball.
We're trying not to.
Yeah, no.
As a fielder, you're like, just
You
hit
gotta
it
put a
somewhere.
glove over there to just catch it.
Stay in there.
Mine was Ryan's whole
High
body.
or low?
Yeah, exactly.
Like in the air too. He was like, yeah, no, thank you.
Remember, we're old. You can't move that fast. We're not that agile.
That's a hit.
You're playing against too small ball and you're telling us you can't move.
That's the start.
Is that a home run?
There's no Ryan creeping around that move. It's a totally different game.
Well, and that Dalton gets pretty far back.
He better be.
His name's Dalton.
Yeah,
I
Dalton.
go yard. He better back up. I'm just kidding.
I know.
He's not gonna move.
I thought you said like, no. I don't know.
He's fast.
Got one. Good, yeah.
Oh wait, hold on.
Thank you, appreciate that.
Save it.
Ryan!
It's a good shot, dude. There's nothing you can do.
I'm just killing myself right now.
That's the problem playing forward, man.
No, I know. They're not moving. All they gotta do is hit it.
Hey, you're okay? Let's go. Pick him up. Pick him up.
Tyra, those same shots earlier are hits, okay? So just keep hitting the way you are.
Hey, you're okay? There's a hit.
Yeah!
What'd I
Tell
say?
him. Tell him.
What'd I say? Yeah.
Tell him.
Tell him he doesn't want
Tell him how hot it is in your kitchen and he's got to get out.
Tyra said you don't want any piece of that.
No, I don't.
She
You said that
whispered
was
it.
hot. You get out of the
Yeah. Better back up.
No, you're okay.
No, don't back up. Don't do it.
You back up, you might catch it.
Go.
Ryan!
Don't do it.
I like how.
Shit.
Line drive!
That was just yak
Did he touch it?
Thing was a screen
Foul.
leaner. Let's go.
And they're all like, dude, don't touch that.
I'm called the weak link. I can't get a hit.
Is that a home run? No.
I would teach him to go for it no matter what. too.
Foul, he just...
I know. But I mean, I would tell him to go for it too.
Oh yeah,
There's no question about it.
absolutely. He made the right play.
Run over and ask them.
I mean, you catch that, you just deflate the team. You drop it, oh well.
Yeah, that's good.
Hey, stay in there.
Are you
Stand up and
bailing?
drive it.
Yeah.
You're falling away.
I'm not watching you.
No, it's me. Yeah, it's not you.
Right down the middle hard. See if they want it.
Most girls tell me that
doesn't want it.
it's me, not
No,
me.
it's definitely not you.
when I hear it from.
My fault. Not the problem. It's me.
We're like, it's my
God, I'm married. Everything's my fault.
I think my husband would say the same thing. He's like, it's always my fault. Well,
I'm
yeah.
a good husband.
I just say do better.
Oh,
That's what I said.
All right, we're back. Hand me that. No, I can't spit it out. The orange one.
I was reading your mind.
that thing. That
That
rattle
one.
thing.
Tyra, same thing. What's that?
It's like all over your ass. You know, just where you're going.
And I said what I was doing right there. Shit. Maybe you heard me.
Go. That's a good hit. Don't
Mike
worry.
Tondo.
That's
Mike
a great
Tondo.
hit, okay? He's got good hands, so don't worry.
Okay, let's go. Keep it going.
What the
Good catch, Mike.
That's gonna be a clip.
I thought the rules were you had to catch with one hand against the girls.
I feel a YouTube video coming. No, no, no.
Just exploding.
Those are crazy.
That came back into him.
Kevin Lugo makes that catch.
So do you. It's all body. It's just like, I don't care about the welt. I'm gonna catch this fucking thing.
Oh, you should see it. That's just gas. All these dads are stopping and asking Ryan what the hell this is. We might have like 15 new players.
Well, I got 2 girls numbered for the next tournament, so
I just want their number.
I'll give it to you. Look, I'm
just
a good
kidding.
wingman.
Hey, I'll show you how to play.
Me and George used to have competitions. We used to go to Hooters when we first started dating, and who could get the chick's number didn't have to pay. I always won.
Well, of course you
won.
did.
Everybody thinks I'm a lesbian because of my mouth and my tattoos. I got a bad mouth.
That's hot. George is loving it.
Nice.
She's taking the girls to the bathroom.
Well, there's one of the shots that actually I can hit that's well worth it.
You got 4? Can I hit 4? Can I hit right-handed?
Hey, she had to run the kids to the bathroom. You guys want to come in and sit down? Yeah. Let's play.
Yep.
Is it a league or what do you think?
You can look us up on
It's a
Facebook
draw
if you
tournament.
so choose. Phoenix over the line.
Okay.
Yeah, we'd love to have more players, man.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, we've got a Super Bowl tournament. You got some buddies who want to play. What's wrong with you? You're a permit out here.
Hands, buddy. Hands. I would have went for I'm not mad.
2,000.
Get a little faster.
It's working because I don't you really got to hit the sideline.
Oh, yeah. Keep it away from him.
Yeah, okay.
No. Get it.
Rights to my money. Looks like a number of music to a motherfucker. Well, I did it when I was yes, no, I added the music. That also rights gets your money. That's fine. You can write it, but it helps your algorithm with certain songs. People are like,
Are you confused? Get it? Okay. I'm not that way.
When I go and I had to recycle all my tires because I look for a golf cart. And when I go recycle all my tires, I have to go to Signal Butte pickups. Out there in the middle of nowhere.
We're far to stop.
And it's just like,
I just wanted you to know that way she's done.
We're so we still got 32 miles. So.
Happy bud! Sorry. What?
being a professional Santa.
Do you need to go potty or are you good?
You know how much they make?
Okay.
They make more?
Sorry.
Oh no, they in 2 months.
Bradley,
they make
run!
their corporate America.
I had to take a child to the bathroom.
Our friend was a professional Santa.
And he's still the late one coming back.
I'm talking to Ron. I bet I can be ready to pitch before you guys are ready to play defense.
Move, baby, come on.
Huh? I'm ready.
Right here, a mile away.
Sorry.
You ready for Thompson to come back?
Yeah, I'm super excited. I just
You're okay, babe.
All right.
Yeah.
How many? Was that 3? That's 3? Let's go. We'll bring it back to you. Come on. Turn that frown upside down.
Nice. Would you have to make drinks in front of him or something?
No, she was like just
Naked.
like, dude, I
Went to bed.
here
Well, I
with
mean,
you
he's already
guys.
half naked.
Yeah, most of the time.
Fully naked doesn't surprise me.
How did you say thank you? Yeah, she did.
Go, Mark.
Go.
Back!
Oh!
Sweet foul!
No, I think we were in there.
Marky.
That's how my day is going right there.
It's all right. We're working into it.
Story of my life is always 6 inches short.
It's not appropriate, Santa.
He never touches bottom.
No, we may go deep, but we'll definitely miss the side.
I don't go deep. Besides.
It's you, Steve. All right, let's go. Let's start this.
What's up, guys?
Let me make up my mind before I quit.
Stay on the field.
This isn't December weather. This is bullshit.
This is great. It's like, wow.
Where are your shorts?
That's the problem. I didn't bring none.
Usually we're pretty cold in this
Fucking board
tournament.
shorts like you.
I'm in my hoodie playing.
This is fucking Ombach weather right here.
It said 88 today or something like that.
80 degrees.
I'm like, damn, I gotta bring some shorts just in case.
Good job, you sexy little elf.
Yeah, tell her. He said, we're not in the North Pole.
Yeah.
All right, let's just keep it down. A little too high.
Hey, George,
No, your picture's great. It was just me. Well, it jumped too quick.
It's a PG tournament. Oh, is it? We'll get that elf ears pulled later.
Don't scoop.
Get him
don't
up.
Scoop.
Yeah, I'm going
Don't
under
drop. Don't drop the back shoulder.
Oh,
You're all right.
All right, come on, check these. What happened to our bats?
We took a nap and haven't woken
I
up
get
yet.
it. Second start us off right here.
Can you hit over here, Chuck?
Yeah, right.
Let's go.
God!
Okay.
Stop swinging like me! Yeah, where'd your dad go?
The only good thing about that is there's a little bit more of a clean hit than the last one. But still.
There goes 4 in a row right there. Perfect. Perfect.
I don't think we have ever done that.
That's why I love playing with dogs because I feel like I learn so much more playing with you guys because like defensively, I just feel like you learn so much.
Yeah, versus I know the girls are just like, well, I
Thanks,
I don't know where to go. Yeah.
Love you, Mark.
But that's why I like that that color division.
They just go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that color division.
I think it's you, right?
Kevin, we need your help.
Who's that?
I got Brittany Nelson.
Mark made last out. And we're up by how much? 6. Let's put 12 on. Because if we beat these guys, I think it's going to have to be about runs and scores and everything like that.
Why, did they win?
Yeah.
They did?
Yeah.
Oh, then let's pour on
We have to pour on a shit ton of runs,
shit
guys.
ton.
It was 13 to 12.
Yeah. They won. Sweet. Let's go, Britt. Get us started.
Oh my God, I'm
Shorter again.
Shorter again. A little shorter this time. A little shorter.
Hit the goddamn ball.
There you go.
No, you're good. That was me. I stepped forward. I don't know why.
You know, George, you need to leave. If you're going to keep, if her play's going to be this way, you need to leave.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
It's my fault.
it is 100%.
That was her first out. Yeah. She hasn't got it out until you showed up.
She was 12 for 12. Just kidding.
She was
First game,
abusing
she was
Gordo.
7 for 8 or 6 for 7, yeah. Or no, she got 2 in the right at the end.
All right, come on, guys. Let's
She was picking Gordo apart. Break a finger. Let's go. Just kidding. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Here you go.
Just passed him a pull shot.
That one had a nice little curve to it.
I thought it came away from me.
I thought it was too.
Hey, you go, we go, okay?
Let's go.
It hooked at the last.
Hey, pick us up.
You just call Scott a hooker?
Yeah, that too. If I get late, I'd take that claim all day.
Nice.
Yeah, no. No.
I think it went right over his head and then he like jumped over it.
I think Steve might actually finger this.
Stop fingering my balls.
Stop fingering my
It's a great team name too.
Stop fingering my balls.
Yeah. I know this sounds. I want to get that.
She's good. Back!
In. Oh.
That's a good. That's good.
He was way back there, anyways.
That was a hell of a hit.
All right, Britt, bring it to me. I want a chance. I want a chance. Come on.
Put me in, Coach.
Come on.
Is that 4?
No.
3.
Oh, she got a hit. That's 3. Just us 3.
Tyra kept us alive.
Usually I'm taking us down.
Now Britt's gonna fucking hit one. I go. Tyra goes. You go.
Survey for food.
Oh no, I'm okay. I'm like,
You just have to fill it out. I just asked you like what you'd pay for it at if you were buying it.
oh, I don't even have my phone.
Anything front two.
It's by my daughter right there. I'm like, if you want to grab it,
I'll get
deal
it
with
if you want.
She's got the pink shirt. Nice hit.
What I say?
Yep, I'll listen.
First level.
That was beautiful.
First fucking level.
Oh, I just put that in the blanket.
Thank you. Come on, Scotty. What do you want?
Hey, keep
I
going.
have egg bites, burritos, and maybe a sandwich. Egg bites. I had
I got one, Ryan.
sauce. The green sauce is really good.
Oh, I actually am not a sauce person.
Egg bites.
I'll do it. Thank you. It's like I don't have anything.
Right out of it. I'm like it's fucking.
Like each other? No, it shouldn't be both.
No, we got a field.
Is this bottom? Top of.
I got top of 3.
Sorry, he's doing a survey, guys.
Top of 4 now? I got top of 3. That was only 3 outs? No, 4 outs, top of 3. Top of 7, bottom of 5. We'll figure it out.
Top of 7, jack of lantern win. And you guys go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, so it'll be the same. Steve up.
Let's
go, Steve.
We'll do a little
Start
bit.
us off, baby. We gotta get some hits.
By the way.
Yeah, what are you chasing? That's it.
That's all. Wow. That's a good number. They just fell apart on me.
That's a good number. Right here. We falling apart on ourselves. That bitch on good. I'm supposed to work.
There we go.
Of the 2 gloves, that's the one to stay away from.
Don't you?
It's not like it's mush ball.
All right, well, we need to stay away from that. Back to back to back to back.
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm trying to get that fucking corner. It's killing me.
I'm so tipsy.
I just want to see.
Start off.
Chuck, you got a home run?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Because we know you have that push board.
Well, I got that down solid.
Get it, Chucky.
Yeah, that's real fun. go.
Take that. I was a little far out. That was up. Come on. It was far out. Right there.
That ball was just stretchy. All right, Mike, let's go. So rude.
I gotta put more in. My bad. My bad. No, pitch was good. I just rushed myself. Right. I couldn't go. I really should have. 2 seconds later.
Steve, where are you going? You're absolutely fucked the whole day. Hey, I got you. Go to the girl in the green shirt.
I know.
Magnet.
Got it. Get that boy.
I tried, Scott. All right, dog, we need you, brother. Let's go, kid.
I didn't want you to spin that freaking much.
Make more.
That's all right.
Oh, this is not awful for the freaking game.
Oh, that's where I was. There you go, big guy. Get down, get down, get down.
Come on. All righty, well.
Well, there's progress. We got 2 hits.
Making our way closer to 3.
You guys still look good doing it. That's all that matters. Bottom 3? That's like 4 innings.
Yeah, because we only have 3
Well, we only have 3 teams. This is our last game on our court. Mr. Santa. Just keep the Santa hat close by. Yeah. Nobody sits on George's lap.
No, he just gets on his
I know, it likes to go this way.
Who's up?
I would have to gel the shit out of it. Have it go up. I can get it to go out.
When I play with the guys, I always say, do something sexy.
Yeah. Something sexy.
No, when you hit, do something sexy.
Do something sexy.
Do you wiggle it?
When I play
Wiggle it?
when I play
Bend and snap?
when I play with the guys, that's what I say. Like, all right, man, it's time to do something sexy. It's harder to say that to a girl.
It's really not.
After you get a hit, you go like this.
Have you ever been in a women's dugout? It is
Brutal.
So sexist of you.
Oh, man. Some of the shit that they say, I'm like, that should be illegal, man. You should not be able to say that shit.
Wait, pal.
I want you to go hard down the middle. Okay?
Heat it up, let's go.
Because if anything, it's going to go outside.
Okay. You're popping, you're going like this as you're swinging like this.
Okay.
You're just like popping.
Don't tell me to wiggle my butt.
You're popping and locking.
Popping and locking.
I'm trying to be sexy and it didn't work.
It didn't work. You know what, Mark? You shut up.
You said I'm popping.
Right,
what, you don't want
Yes.
my push shit?
You're like this. When you're swinging, you're going like
He's
this.
over there.
Are you
Okay, so
saying
I
he has
need to
better
stand
hands
up
than
a
you?
Just stand up a little bit.
I'm not saying.
There you go.
Okay.
Go.
There you go.
No.
Wait, wait for that.
I was waiting who was going to get
Wait
torn
for that
first,
one.
me or you guys?
The look off was nasty.
Right?
I was just making sure Scott was okay.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo!
Ding dong, the witch is dead. Witch is dead. Witch is dead.
Oh yeah.
Oh, man. That's what's crazy. There's still more in that
Kevin,
swing.
what's the score?
Kevin.
8-0.
Is it 8? No, sorry, right. 8, like 2. Gotcha.
8 to 0. All right, let's go. Come on. Keep putting them up.